Hi, I'm Andy, the Kenworth Guy. Today we got a 2019 W900L. It's a custom ordered truck that I brought in for a customer, and we've been working on it over the last couple of weeks, doing extra lights and some chrome on it. So I'd love to give you a tour of it. So let's head outside and go check it out. Alright, so here we are at the truck. I'll give you a quick overview on the exterior, and what I'd like to showcase is a little bit in this one here is some of the additional add-ons that we did here at the store. So what we've put on this truck here, we put on a stainless steel chrome bug deflector. We have the drop visor right up there. We put the additional lights up on the cab. We were going to do them all the way across the cab, but the air horns interfered, so we kind of improvised, and the customer liked this layout, so that's what we've done. Some other things that we've done to the truck here at the store: put on the moons and nut covers, the smooth stainless steel half fenders are on here as well. We got a little bit of rain here last night, that's why it's a little bit dusty, a little bit wet, a couple drip marks. It's being picked up here right away. So let's give you a quick overview of the truck itself. So this is a 2019 W900 long hood with a 72-inch aero cab Aerodyne sleeper. We ordered it two-tone paint. It's to match his sports car that he has. The red color is the same as his sports car, and we can customize to pretty much any color that you want. And you want it to accent it with the black fenders. We put on the stainless steel air breather intake covers right there, and we have the additional chrome panel right there. We did the polished DPF and battery box, so you got polished end caps, polished front here, polished def tank, polished fuel tanks with the 7-inch straps, your steps right here, and we got the level 1 polished rims. We also put on the Kenworth AG400 8-bag air ride suspension on here, and we got the 40,000s on the back. Michelin XDS2 drive tires on it. Here's your fuel tank on this side, and here's your DPF toolbox. Now you can also customize the lettering in the exhaust shield. You can get it blank with nothing. You can have it say Kenworth. You can have it have your own custom name if you wanted, which this customer opted to do. Let's take a look under the hood here for a second. So here we are under the hood. So with the long hood, obviously you get the axle set forward, so it's not a set back. So that's kind of the obvious thing that you get with the W900 series, and that's kind of what's a quick way to differentiate between the W series and the T series. The T series are all set back axles. The W series are the standard axle, or set ahead. So under the hood here we have the Cummins X15 Performance Series. This particular truck, we ordered it with the 565 at 1850 torque. It's a pretty popular and pretty common configuration that I sell. We also put on the battery boost terminals, the remote lube terminal, and the additional support brackets right here. So that's just to help reinforce the fenders so that they don't shake and they don't crack over time. On the paint side, where they can star right in here, so it prevents that. We got your power distribution, your fuses and relays Some of them are up there: washer fluid, power steering fluid, engine oil check, etc. So that's all right here. Nice thing about the Kenworth cab is you get an aluminum cab. It's all aluminum, it's huck bolted together. So right here, these are huck bolts, 6 times the clamping force as a traditional rivet. So you get a lot stronger cab with the huck bolted design, and you also have that on the bunk as well. I haven't really touched on that before, but I just thought I'd point that out. Here's an option. You can get a light underneath the cab. This is right from the factory, so it saves having to bring a trouble light when you're looking around underneath the hood. Now we installed the heaters in the truck here, so you got the bunk and engine heater. Here's that extra light as well. So yeah, here we are with the truck. Let's take a look on the inside. All right, so here we are inside the truck. I'll just kind of go over how we designed and spec'd this truck out inside here. So essentially what we got the power package on the windows, power mirrors, heated mirrors, power door locks. It's kind of all mostly standard equipment. We got additional switches down here for your backup lights, interior switches, traction control. Your signal stat is right up there. Here's your gauge cluster. We kept the navigation screen. Now, just a side note, when you order the Diamond VIT interior, which we have the gray Diamond VIT interior on this bunk, the nav screen is included. It is an option to delete if you don't want to have it, but and have full gauges all the way across. But this one here, we kept it on there. We got a manual 18-speed transmission, and we put in the rubber floor. Now we ordered the Kenworth Air Cushion Premium Plus seats. They are heated right there. Your height control and then all your lumbar supports are right there. Got a nice little storage pocket here. It's good to keep your cell phone. I ran trucks around and have it plugged in here for your charger and the cell phone right there, or your wallet or whatever you want to keep. So this is the embossed stitched seats here with the Kenworth emblem. You can get the stowable armrests. This one here, we've opted to not have it. Now on the truck here, what we have in the back, we have your fridge down low. It is a door style fridge, so it just opens up like so. And then we got a storage closet right up here. And then it has the flip down table, which is kind of a nice thing where you can do paperwork or make a sandwich or something. And we have up here storage up above, all your manuals, etc. We put the storage pocket along the back wall here. You got this one down low when you order it without the upper bunk. And we got the storage up here. Now what's special about this bunk, it is the sofa bed. So here's the sofa right down there. Very easy to open up. You just lift it and it just drops down like so. And to put it back, you just give it a lift, pull back on the back end, and then it comes up like so. You have open storage underneath the bed right here. So you can just pull that cover off, and then you have a little bit of storage under there. And then we have open shelves on this side with a drawer right here. Oh yeah, there's the bolsters. You can have those on the sides. I'll just set that up right here. Right there, right there. And up here is additional storage and storage all along the back wall there. We got your Vista windows up here with the 72-inch tall sleeper, the Aero Cab Aerodyne. So there we have it. So thanks for coming by the channel today to check out this video. I appreciate you taking time to do this. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Andy the Kenworth Guy. Just click down here where it says subscribe in the little red box, and you just check off that bell as well. That way you get notified when new videos come out every week. You can also check out my website. I will put a link right up here. It's thekenworthguy.com. You can also connect with me on social media. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr, Snapchat, all these different platforms. You can click the link right up here. It'll bring you to my website with all my social media links, so you can check out that and follow me there. And yeah, so again, thanks for coming by, and appreciate you taking your time to do this. And as always, have the world's best day.